Now we start with 1 hour chart. I just want to give a quick update. Okay, if you refer to our analysis, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal, but the only question was, since the price was moving a bit corrective, we mentioned we maybe get one more drop before we get the reversal. Okay, but the question is whether we should look for buy here or we wait for the one more drop. Mostly because the way is moving is really corrective. If from now we want to look for buy, if we get any down move, and if the price tag is to 0.048, any reversal will be more interested. But as I see some of the charts, they start to move. There is a possibility the price continue from here without even giving us a down move. Okay, that's my maybe this is the start of the reversal. Okay, that's why I give this update. And as we can see, based on 15 minutes, whatever trade setup we had is really short-term trade setup. Okay, and maybe put this two in relative to each other. And even we can see we have a divergence based on this indicators. How about the MACD as well? We have it. Still, I can say if it give us one more drop, it can give us better trade setup for buy rather than the continuation from here. Because for me, if right now I want to look for buy, the only things we need to get sharp move with the flag for continuation. Rather than that, we don't have any other opportunity. By the way, we want to see whether we can get any trade setup. As I mentioned, some of the other charts, they start to move. And if we start with a higher time frame, as we can see based on daily chart, we are within this move. We mentioned any buy we take with the breakout of this top, we are more interested. That's mean we mentioned we're looking for buy. The only question is whether the price can retest to 0.04 or not. That is the only reason I mentioned this is if we want to look for buy again, I repeat, we need to get the trade set up. Rather than that, we don't jump into the trade. And if we move to forward chart, still we can put this one in relative to this. That's why I mentioned any down move reversal can give us better confirmation rather than here. And especially we mentioned point on 0.048 because we have been looking for this correction in relative to this. No much, everything is similar to what I explained in my last analysis. The only things I really give this update is because I see some of the other charts start to move. Anyway, whatever we mentioned is same. The only if there is a reversal from here, we need to get the sharp move with the flag. Rather than that, we don't have any other opportunity because we cannot buy now unless anyone bought from based on 15 minutes. The first things, this is the only way we can, I mean, the best things we could look for buy. All right. But if anyone is in the buy from here, at least move their stop loss to break even. Then if it's move, is good. If there is a reversal, at least protect their trade. Okay. Again, for me, the best things, either I get the best things to look for buy. I get one more drop. This is what I prefer. But if there is a continuation from here, I need to get the sharp move flag or small correction before I look for buy. And with the breakout of this top, I start to manage. It depends with the breakout of the top, I mean 0.0565 or 566. Okay. But it depends how we can get the trade. We need to see later. If I see any trade setup, I will give update. But if there is a continuation as a corrective, I don't think we can get really good trade setup. By the way, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.